In this video, we're going to look at how you go about launching the Team Connect 360 survey. And we're going to look at what the coach needs to do in order to support the process and guide you through sharing the data with us for the survey and submitting the application form online. By now, you'll have already agreed with the project sponsor or team leader who will be participating in the survey. You'll have clarified some of the detail, the team name, when the survey will launch, and the initial deadline date. You'll have also agreed and issued communications to the stakeholders, letting them know about the survey and asking for their participation. You're now ready to share with us the data so that we can set up the survey. So we will show you how you will download the data import file and the process for submitting the application form online. All of the documents you need can be accessed via the website. At the bottom of the page, you'll find an area with all the documentation. Within the process documents section, you'll find the data import file. Once you download this, the file will be shared with you in an Excel format. And you'll share this with the project sponsor or team leader so that they can provide us with all the information we need to launch the survey. Having already identified the names of those who will be participating, you now need to gather the email addresses and ensure you detail the responder type for those participating. The responder types will have been covered with you in your training. However, what's important to note here is to access the list, you click within the cell and the drop-down list will appear. As well as the team categories, you also have the option of selecting up to 3 stakeholder groups. This may include clients, suppliers, or possibly other teams. Please don't add or edit these columns, for we'll be using this data to set up the survey, and it won't be recognised by the system. Once you've received the data import file back from your client, you're now ready to apply for the survey. Again, you can access the application via the web page, and here you'll be guided through a simple step-by-step process, gathering all the information we need about you and your client team. By capturing this information centrally, we can apply any discounts that may be available to you and also enable you to define a reminder process that works for your particular client team. Once we've received the application, we will send an acknowledgement within 24 hours. And we will set the survey up ready to launch on the commencement date you've specified. You will have already identified to us the reminder process that you think will work for your particular client team. And we will arrange to send these at the agreed intervals. At the same time, we'll send you a report to let you know how the survey is progressing. This will include a summary of those who have completed the survey and those where the responses remain outstanding. Throughout this process, we'll keep you updated. Particularly as we draw closer to the survey deadline, we can talk to you about the response rate and consider extending the deadline if we think a bit more time's needed. Once you're happy, you've got a good cross-section of responses from the various responder types, and you've agreed to close the survey, we will send you the client report in a PDF format, which will be ready to present within 24 hours. If you need any further information, you can access the web page, or alternatively, for additional support, please speak to a member of your practicum faculty.